Is it possible to tickle yourself? In most cases, it is not possible to tickle yourself in the same way that someone else can tickle you. This is because the sensation of tickling is related to surprise and anticipation, which are difficult to replicate when you know what's coming. Tickling is thought to be a defense mechanism that helps us detect and respond to potential threats, such as spiders crawling on our skin. When someone else tickles us, it triggers an automatic reflex response that involves laughter, squirming, and other physical reactions. However, when we try to tickle ourselves, our brain can anticipate the sensation and predict the outcome, which diminishes the effect. That being said, there are some parts of the body that may be more susceptible to self-tickling than others, such as the soles of the feet or the armpits. But even in these areas, the sensation is likely to be less intense than when someone else is tickling you.